Good morning, interviewers. I am Vijay. I am a mathematics trainer with 12-year experience as private tutor and 2-year experience as TGT Math in Delhi Government Schools. I did my graduation in BSc from Delhi University and B.Ed with mathematics and science as a teaching subject from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. I did my last workshop with NCERT to plan interesting and learning by doing lesson plans for class 6 to 8 students. I am quite happy with my present job, but I am looking for a more productive role that suit my skills and ability to grow further. I am a quick learner and ready to take new challenges required to perform better. I am very particular about my schedule and always manage my time efficiently. I am a hardworking person and willing to take any opportunity in your company that will suit my skills and ability to grow further. That's it in my introduction. What make me motivate to become a teacher? Teacher is just like a source of light who clear all the darkness of the society. In this career, teacher is able to make pupils successful in his career by his motivation. In teaching profession, you are getting new challenges in your daily life. In this, every student is different and every time you have to use new tool and new technology and new technique to teach him. By this profession, you will get a satisfaction as well as income in your life. If I am talking about my subject mathematics, it gives you a daily new challenges and new problems which you have to solve by your previous knowledge and practice them for your future. In this, I am going to teach students mathematics with a great fun and with a logical thinking. Hello student, welcome on Vedantu. I am your mathematics trainer Vijay Kumar. How are you students? Hope you all doing well. Today's topic is quadratic equation. In this topic, you have already learned about these terms: variable, coefficient, constant or degree. First of all, let's recall all these terms. What is variable? Variable is a symbol and placeholder for a quantity that may change or any other mathematical object. In simply, we have to change in an expression a unknown number or unknown quantity is called a variable. Coefficient, a number which is placed before another quantity and which multiply it. Simply we have to say that a number multiplied with variable is called as coefficient. I am giving you some example here. Look at this. 3x, in this 3 is a coefficient. 5x square, 5 is a coefficient. 6y, 6 is a coefficient. 7z, 7 is a coefficient. Now student, our next term is constant. It is a non-variable or non-changing quantity, or simply we say the number from 1 to infinity, any number comes in your expression is called as constant. Now the next term is degree. Degree, a maximum power of a variable in an expression. In an expression, your maximum power is called as the degree. Okay student, now let's start with some questions. Student, a quadratic equation, generally I am giving you an expression so that you are able to find out which expression is quadratic or which one is not. So our general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In which students a, b, c are real numbers. And one more important thing, that is a is not equal to 0. If we are going to make a is equal to 0, then your x square term will be 0. And our quadratic equation is denoted by the degree 2. What it means? It means that a expression in which you are getting maximum power 2, then it is called a quadratic equation. In a quadratic equation, if degree is 2, then how many roots are there? Roots also 2. If you are getting a degree 3, then how many roots you have? It's 3. Student, roots, zeros, all these are the same things. If you are putting these roots or zeros in the equation, they will make your equation 0. Now, if I am said that ax square plus c is also a quadratic equation, yes, in this you are getting the maximum power 2, so it is also a quadratic equation. Now, if I am saying x square equal to 0, it also a quadratic equation. Yes, student, it's also having a maximum power 2, so it is called a quadratic equation. Our first question is, check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. In this, we are going to solve this equation. First of all, you have to multiply the brackets. So start the students. I will start with the multiply of brackets. Now this will give you 2 3s are 6x square, 2 7s are 14x, 3 3s are 9x, and 3 7s are 21. Now these terms are similar, so this will be able to subtract or add. Now 14 plus 9, what will it gives? 23x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, now in this equation you are getting a term with maximum power 2. What it denotes? It denotes that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, students.